If you've watched any of my videos lately, you will know that I have a subscription box problem and it keeps growing. Hi everybody, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique and welcome to my channel. This month is a new subscription box that I've never opened before. It is called Loot Crate Fright. And I am, yes, a Disney fanatic, but I am also a horror fanatic. And I love scary movies, serial killers. I have my Freddy Krueger Peace, Love, and Sweet Dreams shirt on, and I have a gothic bow that I made that is the damask pinwheel with a cute little skull in the middle, and my background is decor from my own living room because my house is a mix of bulldogs, skulls, and rhinestones because I'm very eclectic. So I'm very excited to open this box. Let me tell you a little bit about it. It is a every other month subscription box. So I first bought this, I think in like May or June, and I'm just now getting it in August. And I thought that because of Corona, good old COVID, that it was delayed in shipping. So it is delayed a little bit per the website, but it is an every other month subscription. It's $33.95 plus shipping. So it comes out to $36.07 a month is what I get billed for. I don't know what the value is supposed to be each month. It's just supposed to be a Fright loot crate. And I'm excited to see what's inside. I guess every time it gets sent out, it's a different theme. I know Loot Crate has lots of other different types of crates you can get from them. They have like Harry Potter comic books. They have like geek and nerd ones is what they call it. So they have a little bit of everything for you to try. But I went with the horror theme is what it is. So I'm excited to open it up and see what's inside. This is not sponsored. This does come out of my own pocket, but if anybody wants to sponsor me and give me a free couple months of subscription, I would seriously appreciate a sponsor. Thank you. And with that, this is what the box looks like. It's just black and it says, well, it's upside down, Fright. That's the only thing to know that it's scary, so it's all black. So let's open her up. Dun, 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 dun. Now it does ask you for your t-shirt size, and I always size up in t-shirts because I feel like oh my god, I just opened it upside down and popped myself in the face. Okay, that was stupid. All right, here it is. You're seeing it first. I have no idea what's in here. Okay, so let's see. A Mogwai meal kit. It's Gremlins, so either it's Gremlins themed or 80s themed. I'm not really sure which one it is, but let's open this up. It is sealed. I don't know if there's anything inside of here. How about some ASMR? I'm curious what this is, if it's just a plain box. Here it is without the wrapper on it so you can see it a little better. Cute little gremlin. And it pops open. Oh, it's literally like a little lunchbox. And then, yeah. So it's like a little snack box with gremlins on it. It's cute, actually. As long as it's dishwasher safe, because I'm not about to hand wash anything. You can call me lazy, whatever. As long as it's dishwasher safe, I'll keep it. It's cute for like if we go on little trips with Chomper or something like that. So that's a little kit. Cute. Okay, next we've got, it's an enamel pin. Let me get close. It says, "Feed me a stray cat" on an ATM window. This is from American Psycho. Such a classic film. Oh my god, I love it. So this must be an 80s, 90s crate. But this is even Patrick Bateman's like business card. If you can see in the corners, it says Pierce & Pierce, the company he works for. So that is cute. Ah, I got that, yes. Okay, what is this? This says Bug Stomper, the endangered species. It's aliens, it's enamel, it's a key ring. I actually don't know, like I know the movie Aliens, but I don't know what the semblance of this is. So if somebody knows the reference, please leave me a comment below because I don't know what it is. Okay, next. It is a VHS. Some more ASMR. Crinkle, crinkle. We're gonna open this up. Oh my gosh, it's like a fanny pack. Ha! It's a fanny pack. And it says Frightmare on Elm Street, and it's a VHS, and it says horror. And it's got a zipper. Open it up, and there's 2 compartments on the inside. It's nicely lined. So it's nice and thick. I don't know if I'll use it, in all honesty. There is a pocket in front too where the VHS tape is. Is it expandable? Oh, it is expandable. So I wonder if I could, like, you know how the kids are doing it these days, throw it over their arms. I don't know. I don't think I'll use it. I mean, it's cool. I like it. It's totally kitsch and totally camp, so I like it, but I don't know if I'll use it. And then, oh, inside it says, "Thanks for being a looter. We love you, Team Loot Crate." Why can I not say their name properly? I'm having an issue. Okay. It's a t-shirt. And it says Bateman. So, okay, so it is some American Psycho. It says Bateman, "I have to return some videotapes." And this is a famous line from American Psycho where Patrick Bateman is always like, "I have to return some videotapes." It's something he always has to do. And it's at the weirdest times. And he's obsessed with returning videotapes. But he uses it as a weird liner to get out of things. If anybody has seen American Psycho, I'm a huge fan of that movie. So I appreciate the theme of everything. I feel like the Gremlins didn't go with everything, but the VHS, the American Psycho enamel pin, which is cool, and then the Aliens keychain. I mean, it's cute. I'll actually wear the t-shirt, in all honesty. Like, I'll wear it out and everything, because I like to get my t-shirts oversized and then tie like the little knot in the side and make it all cute and stylish. So that's what I'll totally do. I mean, I think the box is worth it because a t-shirt generally these days, like, is 25 to 30 bucks for a t-shirt alone. And enamel pins can be anywhere from $5 to $15. So, I mean, I feel like I got my money out of the crate just with 2 items. I mean, I don't think I'm ever gonna use this, but it's cool. I will use this little meal kit. I love reusable things. It doesn't say if it's dishwasher safe, but guess what? It's going in the dishwasher because I ain't doing dishes by hand. And then the Aliens keychain is pretty cool too. I mean, I don't know if I'll use it or just hang on to it, but it's a cool memorabilia. But again, if you know what this bug stopper thing is from, leave me a comment below. So that was my first month of Loot Crate Fright, if you will. I think it's cool. I think it's camp, which I love camp and I love a good theme, so it's right up my alley. I know my next one, the payment already came out, so I was looking on their website to see when I'll get my next one, and it looks like, hold on, let me tell you. Okay, so my first one, it was billed on May 29th, and I just got it, and this is like August. So then I'm trying to see when my next one will come. The next one is supposed to come September 21st through September 24th. So I guess because it's delayed and everything else, that's why it's coming so soon. After my first one, I felt like I waited forever for this, but that first every other month thing and then shipping delays all make sense. So I hope you like my first ever Fright Loot Crate. If you do, give me a big thumbs up below. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell notification so you can be alerted every time I upload a new video, because you're never going to know what you get with me, that's for sure. And all my social media will be linked down below, so make sure you're following Wonderland Boutique on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter as well. It's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and thanks so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again real soon. Bye-bye.